Welcome in this new video. I'm Nolwenn Petitbois and I hope you'll enjoy that project. For this project, I'm working on a stretch canvas. I wanted to add gesso first, just to have a ground on my canvas. Even though it says pre-gessoed, I always like to add my own. So I'm covering the whole surface and the sides. Once it dries, I'm preparing my vivid ultra metallic paints for my pour. I'm using 4 different colors, and just so you know, I'm in love with these 4 colors together. I think they go so well together. Something I want to tell you is that I love using the vivid when doing a pour because there are less steps than using the primary elements, even though you know my love is unconditional for the primary elements. There's already the clear enamel, so I just need to add a little bit of pouring medium to my vivid ultra metallics and to mix it very, very well. And then to each color I will add some water to arrive to the proper consistency. I will show you only one and skip the others. And as you can see, I'm adding drop by drop. You need to take your time. And as you can see, each color is different and you won't add the same amount of water in each one. And I wanted to play with that feathering effect that you had seen on my last video. So this is why I'm adding silicone oil to each of my colors. But the white is only white acrylic paint, water, and a little bit of pouring medium. I'm doing a Nixie today, but I will focus on the hair and we'll share the rest of the painting on my own channel. I really wanted you to see how I was doing the gorgeous hair. So first I pour the white all over the hair surface and I'm using my stick to spread it. It's easier, it was already messy and already in my hand, so you know, just do what you want. You could use palette knife too, would work well. And it's okay if it spreads on the side, this is why I gessoed them too. And now is the fun part. Using the sticks I used to mix the color, I'm dropping literally the paint on the white. And as you can see, the silicone makes it reacts, and this beautiful feathering appears. So I'm playing with the colors, adding them one by one, and you can see that some react more than others, and that's okay. Take your time, and it's about the balance of colors, so you don't have one area more, for example, red than the others. I'm moving it around just to see what happens, because I'm all about experimenting and letting it flow, literally. So going back and forth with the colors, playing around. And I was not very satisfied with it, so I decided to take some straws and blow. And as you can see, it helps to move it around, and the white will go over some of the colors and creates little cells. And then I just play and fix the places I don't like, you know, as much as the other ones. So keep adding, keep blowing, and have fun. That's the most, you know, important thing. Is just don't look for perfection. It's very hard to control a pour, even if it's possible to do. It's not the easiest. So let go of perfectionism. That's my advice. And there is she. As you can see, there's still the white, but the colors move together to create these beautiful effects. Thanks for watching. Bye.